In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture. I showed you how a little bit in the editing video, but this one is specifically to insert a picture. So I want to put a picture right here by my name. So I'm going to go to Add, Image, and you can find some from social media if you want. I'm not going to show you my Instagram, but I might go to my uploads. And my image uploads, you can go back to this page where we have been before and maybe upload a media. I'm going to upload from my computer again, and it'll pull up something. Maybe this is my picture. This is my profile picture. A great, lovely picture of Dwight, me. And I'm going to click on it and hit Add to Page. And I can make it smaller if I want. And I can move it all up in this business. Right there. Voila. And then hit save.